Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Ellen. Welcome to the first Ellen on the Air show. So this morning I was checking out American Girl Spirit Instagram, and there was a post that got my attention. Have a look. I watch your YouTube channel every day, and I love it so much, and I am obsessed with it. This girl is screaming with excitement. I love it. So I'm screaming back. Thank you. You're awesome at ag.princess.xox. Today I am going on location at the American Girl store where we will meet our first surprise giveaway winner, Maria. I met Maria's mom when I was having lunch at a restaurant. She noticed my American Girl bags and we instantly started a very chatty conversation. This is when I found out she had a daughter, Maria, that loved American Girl. She told me fun stories of her and Maria going to the American Girl store together. I was so happy to hear about her American Girl spirit. I then decided I was going to make her my first surprise giveaway winner. So we are here at the American Girl store, where Maria will be arriving. She has no idea that she will be leaving today with a big surprise. So let's go meet Maria and have some fun. So my assistant Steffi and I are meeting Maria, and then we will tour around the store to see what Maria likes and introduce her to some of my friends. Take a look. Ellen. You want to say hi to Ellen? Shake her hand. Well, that was super fun, and Maria has a lot of American Girl spirit. It looks like she loves doll number 61. So we went ahead and surprised her by giving her the doll. And boy, was she surprised. We also included a gift certificate to choose a hairstyle. We headed over to the spa area of the store where the doll was going to get her hair done. Maria picked the half ponytail flip hairstyle, which is a great choice. Awesome Stephanie at the American Girl store did the hairstyle. Here's a little clip where Maria decides to help out at the spa. Ta-da! Princess Maria and her doll look very happy together. I'm sure she will give this doll lots of love. I managed to snap a few pictures of us all together at the American Girl store before we head out for a snack together. When we had a moment to sit down and chat with Maria, we asked her, "What 3 things does your doll like?" That's awesome! We had such an amazing time together. Thanks to Maria and her family for being a part of this video. I love Ellen. Did I mention I love Ellen? Okay, it's surprise giveaway time. I have 2 bags here with American Girl products of equal value. There are a few simple things to do to qualify. First, Have your parents' permission before entering if you are under 18 years of age. 2. Like this video. 3. Share this video with friends. 4. Subscribe to American Girl Spirit YouTube channel. 5. Comment below which surprise giveaway bag you choose, bag number 1 or bag number 2. And that does it for today's show. Next show, we will have Grace Thomas as our special guest. Be sure to stay tuned. Be kind to one another. Bye-bye.